very useful aspect of Inventor is the creation of patterns. One of these patterns that's available is the circular pattern. So I'm just going to look at this in a small more detail. It's a very simple feature to use, but it can also be very time efficient when it's used in the proper manner for creation of different components. So we're just going to finish the sketch here, just create a simple extrusion of this normal block. And on the top toolbar here you'll see the circular button, which brings up a pop-up menu. And we're going to pattern the solid here on this occasion. So when this is clicked here, you just click your rotation axis that you want the pattern to occur around. So for this occasion we're just going to pick the corner edge. Now you can see here that there's 6 placements at 360 degrees, but these can be very easily changed just with a simple editing. Also on the right hand side here, the dialog box is the option to create it in different directions. In many parts of furniture there could be a ratchet type mechanism, such as reclining chairs for example. This particular feature could be very time efficient to produce such a part. If we go back to do a simple edit of the sketch here, first of all, if it was used as a ratchet, you could set up the individual blocks in these squares here, and when they're edited they'll transpose onto the ratchet. And now at the moment you can see a small little dip between each section, so what we're going to do now is we're just going to actually increase the number of ratchets on it. So if we change the 20 up to 25, it'd be uncommon for a ratchet of this size to be this thin, so we can also increase the extrusion variable by editing the feature. Now we'll increase that to 20 millimeters, and this part now could be saved for use in an assembly of furniture for example. It just shows basically the very simple setup, but the very useful context that can be used in. There are many furniture items that use mechanics in their design, and it's important for any person using Inventor that they should be able to create simple mechanical devices or mechanical setups so as to incorporate it into the assembly and therefore give a very lifelike representation of the model. Moving on from this, we've just considered this small extrusion. We can create a circular pattern again. This time we can rotate the pattern in a different axis. So if I select the rotation axis and select the top corner, now with the view from the front it can be seen the different patterns created. Therefore many different designs can be incorporated into Inventor using this particular feature.